to the Hello Solar quiz with the roos that I've got today. Just to recap on the last two rounds, the current score is 10 to 17, and this last round is all about heat pumps. So the first question that I have for you guys is, what is the primary advantage of using a heat pump water heater over the traditional electric water heater? So is this the higher energy efficiency or faster heating time for the property?
I think we're talking solar panels, it has to be the energy efficiency.
Efficiency?
I'll say the faster heating.
Faster heating. So in regards to that one, the primary advantage of using a heat pump over a traditional electric water heater is the higher energy efficiency. The heat pump water heaters use a small amount of electricity to move heat from the air or ground to heat the water, making them a much more efficient than electric heater. So the second question in regards to the heat pumps is, heat pump water heaters can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by using energy from the renewable source. So what is this renewable source? Is this heat from the air or heat from the sunlight?
You go first.
I'll go sunlight.
Sunlight?
Yeah, I'll go sunlight.
Sunlight as well. So in regards to that one, so unfortunately you were both incorrect with that one. Heat pump water heaters reduce greenhouse gas emissions by using heat from the air to warm the water. This source of heat is renewable and doesn't rely on burning fossil fuels. So going into question number 3, all around heat pumps. So question number 3 for you guys is, heat pump water heaters can save you a lot of money in the long term. So how do they actually save you money? Is this by using less electricity to heat the water, or is this by only using air to heat your water and not electricity?
I think it's by using less electricity.
Less electricity?
Yeah, I'll say the same.
Less electricity? Correct. Using less electricity to heat the water compared to traditional electric water heaters. They work by transferring heat from the environment rather than generating it directly. So regarding question number 4, this is all about the sound that a typical heat pump makes at the property. So the sound that comes from the operation of the heat pump, what does this typically sound like when it's running? Does this sound like a roaring engine loud noise, or is it just a soft hum or murmur that you hear?
A soft hum and murmur.
Yeah, the soft.
So that is absolutely correct. You are correct. The sound that comes from the operation of the heat pump is typically a soft hum or a murmur. Heat pumps use fans and compressors to move the air and refrigerate, and these components produce minimal noise levels, making them a quiet option for heating water. So this is the last bonus question of this quiz, concluding the 3 rounds that we've done, explaining all around solar, all around EV chargers and around heat pumps, hopefully showing you guys a bit more insight into what these things do and answer any questions that you might have. So regarding this bonus question, when deciding on the installation location for a heat pump at your property, where can you install these heat pumps? Can this be outdoors only where there is air, or can it be indoors or outdoors?
I'll say indoors or outdoors.
Indoors or outdoors?
Yeah, I'm going to have to go indoors or outdoors.
Indoors
as
or
well.
outdoors? That is correct. So when deciding on installation locations for a heat pump, you have the flexibility to place them indoors or outdoors. This is one of the advantages of having a heat pump. Whether you have the space indoors, like inside of a garage, or you prefer to install them outdoors, like around the side of your house, then the heat pumps can accommodate the needs that you want. Okay guys, so thank you for listening and watching our quiz. I hope you did get some insight and it answered any questions that you do have. Of course, if you do have any further questions or want more information about solar, about EV chargers or heat pumps, then you can visit our website, which is hellosolar.com.au, or you can give us a call on 1300 070 786, and one of our sales agents will be more than happy to help you out. To conclude the quiz with our 2 North Melbourne players, it does actually sit at a score of 25 to 19. So congratulations to our quiz winner today.